Hi, good afternoon. I'm Angel Ponce from Santa Maria, Bulacan, and I'm the owner and founder of Live Pillow Corporation. So yun, napakaganda ng experience na ibinahagi sa amin or pinagkatiwala sa akin ni Sir William Jones and Ma'am Rowena Jones dahil napakalaking opportunity to. Dahil natupad yung aking isang mission na mag-spread pa ng peace, love, and comfort sa ating mga tahanan ng mga sambayan ng Pilipino. Ayun, it's a great opportunity na mapasama dito sa Digital Impact Philippines at nakasabay pa si Sir MJ Lopez na talaga namang nagbibigating mga speakers na tinitingala talaga natin o nai-inspire tayo. What is the difference of this conference sa ibang conference is napakalaking pagkakaiba. Unang-una, may pamil pa sila ng breakfast, lunch, I think pati merienda sa hapon and dinner. Sobrang sobrang mapagbigay talaga nila. Hindi na nila iniisip kung may matitira sa kanila ba or kikitain ba dito. Pero puro more on giving sila. Kaya we should be thankful, we should be grateful as the listener, as the participants here. Suklian po natin lahat ng kabutihan nila dahil talaga namang alam ko sa susunod, meron pang next. Doon tayo mas maging, tayo naman maging part ng team nila na maging, alam mo yung masuklian natin yung kabutihan ng mag-asawa at ng buong team ng ni Sir William. So yun po, God bless you sa lahat ng bumubuo dito and Surigao. And I'm loving Surigao and I know na marami pa kayong may inspire. So yun, tuloy-tuloy lang. Hopefully magkaroon kayo ng mga goals dahil malaki po ang impact nitong digital impact talaga. Malaking impact siya, no? And yun, gising-gising lang para hindi kayo mapag-iiwanan talaga dahil nandito ang power couple na si Sir Joe.
Hello. Thank you, Ma'am Angel, sa shinare mo. Ako nga pala si Dean Bennett. I'm actually a college dean and at the same time a digital entrepreneur specializing in e-commerce and digital products. Yesterday, I joined the Digital Impact Conference as a speaker. But today, I am joining not as speaker, not as a dean, but I came here as a student, really hungry to learn. And indeed, kahapon kasi and kagabi, we were given an opportunity to talk and have a dinner with MJ Lopez. And I was able to share to him a glimpse of my desires. Sinabi ko sa kanya na gusto kong maggawa ng sarili kong content kagaya niya. So hindi ko alam, ngayong araw pala yung breakthrough ko. Kasi parang something is holding me back. Alam mo yon, ang nakaibahan sa conference na ito, Ma'am Angel, madami na po akong nasalihan na conference, but what makes this conference really so different is because they do not just focus on building skills, producing money, and making business, but they are focusing on transformation, mindset, values, integrity. Ito po yun. At usually, when they do this kind of conference, the organizers or the facilitators, they are there to make a name. But you see, Digital Impact Conference was created not because Ram Fortes wanted to make a name, but certainly they wanted to make a difference. So I would like to thank the organizers, on behalf of the team, lalong-lalo na po si Sir William. Actually, yung unang-una talaga, I'm supposed to be joining with my students, but I was grateful na nabigyan ako ng opportunity to share the platform with Miss Angel and with Sir MJ. And I am expecting na hindi lang po dito sa Surigao mag-create ng difference yung digital impact. But together, they will reach out Cebu, Davao, and even entire Philippines. And who knows, this will become international because the value and the impact is not just personal. This is transformational. And personally, ito po yung na-learn ko. Dito ko lang na-learn yan sa conference because for the longest time, parang may invisible ceiling na it's always holding me back to become the grandest version of myself. But I realized through Sir MJ Lopez that I have to be willing to let my old self die in order to birth the woman that I am becoming. And so today, I was able to post my first video content, and hindi ko alam kung ilan na, sabi ni Ma'am Angel, madami na daw nag-share, but I didn't care. But what I really care is I made it and it feels so liberating. So thank you, Digital Impact Philippines 2025. Thank you.
Yun, na talagang dito, sa ginawa dito sa Digital Impact Philippines, napakaswerte nyo dahil dumating talaga dito si Sir MJ Lopez. Ako, student na niya ako. No, student na niya ako, pero every time na meron talagang mga lessons na sinasabi siya, talagang tagos sa puso. Kaya ito lang yung conference na, maswerte kayo dito sa Surigao, ito yung conference na hindi kayo lalabas dito ng walang alam. Hindi kayo lalabas dito ng walang total transformation, walang total reset. Para tayong computer na ni-reset. Bagong mindset. Na-reprogram tayo, no? So, hindi lang katawan natin pati yung goals natin Alam mo yung impact na ang lapit ko na, ito na lang pala Counting step na lang nandito ka na. What more kung nandito ka na talaga, nakatawid ko na. Kaya ang sarap sa feeling nun. Kaya huwag niyo po sayangin lahat ng sinabi nila, lahat ng oras nila, lahat ng effort nila. Napakalaking impact nito. Basta isa sa puso nyo at isa sa action ninyo. Lahat ng natutunan nyo dito, lahat ng notes nyo, balikan nyo after 1 month. Yun. Pag nagawa nyo, it's a great impact. Ibalita nyo kay Sir MJ and Sir William Jones. Yun po, yun na lang, mas napakagandang regalo nun para sa kanila.
Apo. At saka to Sir William Jones and to Ma'am Weng and to the rest of the team ng Rank Fortress, sana huwag kayong mapagod. You are really helping many lives, including me personally. So, God bless you more and the Lord will entrust more blessings to you sa business nyo. At padami pang mga tao na matatransform ang buhay nila dahil sa inyo. Thank you so much.
Amen.
Mabuhay ang mga kababaihan!
Bass, please.